Hello and welcome you to a Maths Olympiad question. If cube root of x times root of x is equal to 3, then what will be the value of x in this question? We have to find that. So let's get started and see its solution. We can write this as x times value of root is 1 over 2, x to the power 1 over 2 to the power value of cube root is 1 over 3 is equal to 3. Here we are going to use a power rule, that is, if a raised to power m times a raised to power n, then this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Powers will be added. So if we add the powers, here the power is 1 plus 1 over 2. We will take LCM. X to the power LCM is 2. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 to the power 1 over 3. X to the power 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2 whole to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 3. We are going to use another power rule, that is, if a raised to power m raised to power n, then this is equal to a raised to power m times n, means power will be multiplied. So if we multiply these two powers, then this is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 times 1 over 3. 3 and 3 will cancel out. We are left with x to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 3. We can write x to the power 1 over 2 as root of x is equal to 3. If we take square of this equation on both sides, square and root will cancel out. X is equal to 3 square mean 9. X is equal to 9 is the required value in this question. Keep watching, keep practicing. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.